What do we see on the screen? Yes, we all love to sing, tama po ba? Singing becomes our way of releasing stress. Tama po ba? And Filipinos really love to sing. We sing on churches, we sing even on streets. Love natin ang mga video okay, di po ba? And we also sing in the bathroom. At kahit pa nga sa kusina katulad ng nakikita po natin. Pero, pag ganito na ba kadumi ang ating mga lababo, makakakanta pa kaya tayo? Yan ang tanong, no? Baka mapapakamot na lang tayo because sobra talagang nakaka-stress pag madumi ang ating kusina. Tama po ba? But, dahil nandito tayo sa Atomy and we are privileged to have a wide range of home care products, hindi na po natin kailangang ma-stress. We can shop directly in our shopping mall na nasa atin pong website at mamili na tayo ng napakagaganda po nating mga home care products para ma-release po yung mga stress na yan. This afternoon, I am the one tasked to discuss about our home care products. My name is John Balaoro, Diamond Master and the Center Head of Antipolo Masangkay Center. We will be discussing the Atomy Medicook Walk. Of course, our mga kasangga sa kusina, ang ating dish detergent, scratch-free scrubber, at ang atin pong stainless scrubber. Cleanliness is our first line of defense. Tama po ba? Lalo na sa mga metikulosong ina at ama. Kailangan we see to it na sobrang linis ng ating kusina dahil dun po natin pine-prepare yung ating mga pagkain. Pero it should not stop from just being clean. Dapat maging matalino din po tayo sa pagpili ng ating mga ginagamit sa pagluluto. Have you heard about mga toxic materials in cookware, pans, and pots? Are you aware po dito sa nakalagay po sa ating screen? Did you know that there are 3 cookware sets that we need to avoid? Like pots and pans made of copper, aluminum, and Teflon. Let's dive a little kung bakit nga ba kailangan nating iwasan ang mga ito. Aluminum is linked to having Alzheimer's disease. Kapag overtime po tayong gumagamit ng mga materials or cooking materials na made of aluminum, sobrang delikado po niyan sa ating mga brain. So that's why you will wonder nowadays, ang dami talagang may mga Alzheimer's disease. And not only that, it can even develop different kind of cognitive diseases or yung mga naglilink po sa brain diseases. No? And then the copper is also a very dangerous chemical na kung ito po ang gagamitin natin, yung copper toxicity would lead to liver and kidney disease. And of course, kahit pa sinasabi ng marami na healthy choice po yung ating mga Teflon or non-stick pan, pero it says here na when it is heated, they emit noxious fumes that contain chemical o yung tinatawag po na plastic polymers. These plastic polymers could be or is proven to be carcinogenic. What does it mean? It can cause cancer. Kaya po pala, no, sobrang daming cancer patients nowadays. No po, kasi even if we choose the healthiest food na pwede po nating i-prepare sa ating mga pamilya, pero we are using the wrong cookware set, maaari pa rin po tayong magkaroon ng mga sakit. So, kung meron po kayo nito mga klase ng cookware set na po ito, please lang po, itapon na po natin yan. Anyway, we have healthy choices naman po, like ceramic, pots and pans, those made with stainless steels and cast iron. Okay, but despite ceramic cookwares are claimed to be healthy and safe, meron po itong downsides. Kasi yung mga ceramic cookware pots, napakamahal po nila, no? Pero short lang po yung lifespan nila. It could only be used for 1 to 3 years lang. Kasi very fragile po siya and it's very prone to chipping. So madali pong nare-remove yung o nagka-crack o nai-scratch yung mga nasa yung kanya pong pinaka-coating. No po, so mahina din po yung conductivity niya. Hindi rin po siya madaling uminit. Same, kaya po medyo mahirap po itong hugasan at kailangan po natin ng mas mataas or mas maraming heat. On the other hand, cast iron pans, although they are known to be very, very matibay, kaya lang ito po ay high in maintenance. It requires regular oil brushing. Kapag hindi po ito regularly nababrush ng oil, ito po ay nagiging rust prone. So, sobrang delikado din po nun sa ating mga health. So, what is the best kind of cookware materials na pwede po natin gamitin? Siyempre, yun yung stainless steel. I want to introduce to you, Atomias, our Atomy MediCook Wok 5.4 liters wok. So kung meron po kayo nito, kung wala pa po kayo nito, think of buying one para sa inyo pong pamilya. This one is a very multi-purpose cookware. Bakit po? Hindi lang po siya, dahil sa maganda po siya, tamang-tama po yung kanyang size, pwede po tayo ditong maggisa, pwede po tayo ditong maglagay ng soup. Meron po siyang kasamang, we can see this one, nakaalat po yan. So that one is for frying. Pag nag-fry po tayo, ilagay po natin dyan, pang-drain po siya ng oil. And then it comes together with the steamer. So kung mahilig po kayo mag-steam, this one is really for you. The Atomy MediCook set or wok is very good because it is created for easy and healthy cooking. Bakit nga ba? Dahil yung material na ginamit sa ating wok is 316 stainless steel. Although, there are many other kind of stainless steel na pwede po nating magamit or also considered as safe, but this one is definitely the best. Bakit po? It is also known to be surgical stainless. Pag sinabi pong surgical stainless, yan po yung pinaka-highest grade of stainless. Siya po yung ginagamit ng mga doctors sa operation. And then, ito din po yung klase ng stainless na ginagamit po in high-end medical devices. Katulad po ng mga inooperahan pagka po nagkakaroon ng mga fracture sa bones. Ito pong klase ng stainless po na to yung inilalagay po sa loob ng katawan natin. So that is why it is considered human-friendly material. Okay, so ang atin pong MediCook Wok ay very hygienic and safe. Yung kanya pong handles are welded or spot welded. It means wala po siyang screw. Hindi din po yung ginagamitan ng rebit. So it's very seamless. Ito pong yung dalawa pong handle on both side ng ating pong pan is very good, is very seamless po. Same thing din po doon sa pinaka-lid po niya. Wala pong screw na ginagamit. I know of a very expensive brand na alam niyo po ba, times 3 po ng price ng ating pong wok, times 3. So if this one is 9,900, that is merely around 30,000 pesos. Pero alam niyo po, I've heard from a friend, hindi niya po ginagamit yung kanyang pan. Nakatabi lang po because it's too expensive daw. But over time, you know what happened? When she was about to use her pan, she noticed na nagkaroon po ng, nag-corrode po yung kanyang pinaka-screw. Anong tawag po doon? Nagkalawang na po. Sabi ko, ayan, nakakalungkot. Hindi na tuloy nagamit yung 30,000 pesos na pan. Kakatago. Okay po. So ours is made of 5-ply steel plate. This is designed para po matibay na matibay po yung ating wok. This one is compressed. Yung 5 metal plates po na yan, compressed to 3.5 millimeter thickness. Kaya po, sobrang tibay po talaga nito. Mamaya, I will tell you kung gaano po yung katibay. So this is how the plates being compressed. We can see, doon po sa loob, I just want you to imagine, doon po sa loob ng ating wok, ay by the way, sino na po ba dito sa atin ang merong Atomy Medicook wok? Ay, medyo marami-rami na rin. I do have one for myself. Ano po? Sobrang gamit na gamit ko po yan. Hindi ko po talaga siya tinago. So yung 316 stainless steel, yan po yung nandoon po sa pinakaloob. Sabi nga, because this is the material or the plate na matatouch po dun sa food natin. So it should be very healthy and safe. And then, sa loob po niyan, we can see here po sa ating illustration. At the center is a 303 aluminum. Joanne, akala ko ba stainless yan? Okay? But aluminum are used like a kind of alloy materials po dahil sila po ay known to be very durable. So yung 303 aluminum, sobrang tibay po niya talaga. Okay? And then, sinandwich po siya ng 2 ply naman ng 1050 aluminum. Sinandwich po siya. So ano naman po ang characteristic ng 1050 or 1050 aluminum? Sila po ay flexible, no? So that is why makikita po natin napaka-slick po, napaka-social ng design ng ating wok, ano po? So sinandwich po siya para po maging flexible and at the same time very durable. So at the bottom is the magnetic stainless steel. We have the reason why kung bakit po nasa ilalim ang ating magnetic stainless steel. Yan. So on the screen, we can see this one. Yung magnetic stainless steel po is very convenient because it is a very good source of conductivity. Ibig sabihin, mabilis po siyang mag-absorb ng heat. Therefore, pwedeng-pwede po siyang magamit sa iba't ibang klase ng mga stove po. Pwede po siya sa gas stove, pwede po siya sa hot plate, sa mga highlight burner, induction burner. Ano po? So kailangan po kasi na magnetic po yung bottom para po makagamit po tayo ng induction burner. Kasi induction burners are known to be very convenient. Mababa po ang consumption ng induction burners. And kahit po sa mga electric stoves. But wait, there's more. Dahil nga po, mabilis po siyang mag-conduct ng heat. Therefore, it is energy efficient. So kung gagamit po tayo ng pan, yung dati po nating fire, yung medium, ita-turn po natin siya sa low. Okay po? There's no need to stay with the medium fire kasi po, mabilis po talaga siyang uminit. You would see that kung ginagamit nyo na po ito regularly, ang bilis pong magpakulo, ang bilis magpalambot ng mga meat. Tama po ba? So, tumatango si Ma'am Shed. Thank you, Ma'am Shed. And another thing is that, aside from that po, yung medium fire could be turned to low fire, and then yung high fire could be turned to medium fire lang. Kaya sobrang very convenient po natin itong magagamit. So I'm sharing you this one because I think Atomy Medicook Wok is an excellent investment. So I have here a computation if you're going to use this one for 10 years time. So our wok is 9,900 pesos. So imagine kung gagamitin po natin ito for 10 years, in a year we have, that would be 990 for 1 year. Sa 12 months naman, that is only 82 pesos and 50 centavos per month. And sa loob ng isang buwan, 30 days, so that is only 2 pesos and 75 centavos investment. Bakit hindi nyo po yan pinapalakpakan? But I'm not telling you na mag-save po kayo ng 2 pesos and 75 centavos for 10 years. Please buy it now. I-add to cart nyo na po yan at i-check out nyo na rin po right away. I'm just telling you kung gaano po talaga ka-smart bumili ng ating pong walk. But Atomy offers lifetime quality guarantee for our Medicook walk. Ibig sabihin, pangmatagalan. It includes a lifetime quality guarantee for services. Pwede siyang ipa-regrind. Mine is already 8 years old because I purchased that 2018, no? Pero dahil inaalagaan ko po yung walk ko, pero hindi ko po tinatago. Araw-araw ko pong ginagamit, but it's still looking good. Okay po, so I think when it becomes 15 years old, then I'm going to send it for regrinding or repolishing. Wala po tayong babayaran. It will be like a new purchase for us. Lifetime quality guarantee para po yang to the 3rd generation, di po ba? Yan! Pwedeng ipamana. Okay, so that is our Medicook walk. Nagandahan po ba kayo? O kung nagandahan po kayo, anong susunod po doon? Bumili na po. Okay, next is our dish detergent. Di ba nakita po natin kanina, bulto yung hugasin sa lababo. No po? But it's as easy as pie if we have dish detergent sa ating bahay. Easy as pie. This detergent sa ating bahay may rhyme, di po ba? Bakit po? Because this is nature-friendly detergent with natural cleansing elements. So this is why we choose this Atomy dish detergent because it is infused with nature. Alam niyo po ba na ang mga main ingredients po nito ay mga citrus ingredients po? Bergamo, lemon, calamansi. Kaya, sabi nga ni Ma'am Darbel, baka naman yung leeg natin is young looking yung pisngi, yung leeg, tumanda na, naiwan. Paano yung kamay? Kaya, if we use this detergent, pati kamay po natin, kamay pa rin ng pambata. Hindi po yan magda-dry. Ayan, and what else? 1 drop will do the job. Kaya, very economical, we can save a lot. Mamaya po pag-uusapan po natin yan. And it is considered a class 1 dish detergent. What does it mean? Ang dami po kasing dish detergent na nabibili sa labas. Tama po ba? Meron nga 1 liter is only 25 pesos. Pero that is loaded with chemical ingredients. Alam niyo po ba, ng ating pong skin ay open ang pores all the time? So if we use this or those kind of this detergent, yung chemical ingredients po directly insert sa atin pong mga pores. Kaya we have to be wise as Atomians. A class 1 dish detergent is not only good in washing our dishes, our pans, or cleaning our mga kusina, but it can be used for washing fruits and vegetables. Imagine, gusto po nating maging healthy yung family natin. So we only buy vegetables and fruits in the market. Pero alam niyo po ba na sa pagtatanim pa lang and to the transport going to the market or even the supermarket, grabe na po ang bacteria na pwedeng ma-load sa ating mga prutas at gulay. Diba? So, our dish detergent is very good in washing our fruits and vegetable. Mag-dilute lang po tayo ng 60 or 0.67 ml. Wala pa pong 1 ml na dish detergent together or ilalagay po natin sa 1 liter of water and then iwanan po natin doon ng mga 3 to 5 minutes lang. After that, makikita nyo po na sobrang daming dumi po talagang nakadikit doon sa ating mga prutas. You better try that. Sino pong gumagamit ng dish detergent sa paghugas ng mga yan? Very good. So let's share this good news, because it's such a good news. And, of course, lagi pong best ang ating mga produkto. Our Atomy dish detergent is qualified or receives qualification and certifications from national and international health institutions because of its cutting-edge technology, top quality ingredients. Of course, eco-friendly po siya, no? And it is registered with FDA. And pet-friendly din po siya. Kasi meron po ako mga kaibigan na ginagamit po itong pampaligo ng kanilang mga aso. Tignan nga natin kung talagang wais tayong bilang mga Atomian. Yung ating pong dish detergent is 300 pesos and it contains 1,000 ml of concentrated dish detergent. Walang chemical ingredient. That is only 0.35 centavos per ml or per wash. Sabi, hindi na daw po kailangang i-dilute, Basain lang ng konting sponge natin, pigapagayin ng konti, lagyan ng kaunting detergent or dish detergent natin, and it could wash yung isang load po natin ng mga maruriming pinggan. So ngayon, are you smart consumers being Atomians? Yes! Ayan, so panibagong stress na naman ang nararamdaman ng babaeng ito na nasa screen. Po? Baka kasi ang ginagamit niya ay yung mga mumurahin na mga scrub or sponge na nando sa supermarket. The most famous brand of sponge or scrubber in the market cost around 58 pesos. Siguro dati nung hindi pa po tayo Atomians, yun po yung ginagamit natin, And dati maganda yung material, pero nowadays, 1 week na lang siyang ginagamit. Bumaba na rin yung kanyang quality. So for us Atomians, we don't need to be stressed. Our life is stress-free. Because we have good options, we can use our Atomy Scratch-Free Scrubber to thoroughly clean not just our pants, but of course, yung ating pong mga kubyertos, yung ating pong mga mamahaling pinggan sa ating kusina. Walang scratch po yan. Our Atomy Scratch-Free Scrubber is made of triple layer. May antibacterial property po siya. Actually, it's 99.9%. It is considered or contains a long-lasting antibacterial agent which is called AmiSafe. Okay, this is good for hygiene. And then this one is made of high-quality German-made pad. Kanina sabi ni Ma'am Darbel, di po ba German technology yung ginamit doon sa ating This one also passed the German technology test. Ayan. So this is our layer or the structure of our sponge. Kung nakita niyo na po yung ating scrubber, meron po yung 3 layer. Yung pong lighter part is the antibacterial non-woven cotton. Hindi po siya nakaka-scratch. At the center is the antibacterial sponge cotton. Yan po yung tutulong na maging mabula po yung ating dish detergent. And then, the darker gray part or layer is also antibacterial. And it is good for removing the oil, yung mga madidikit po na oil, without worrying of scratch. Ayan. So, let's have a computation again. Talagang mat tayo ngayong araw na to. So, 1 pack is 200 pesos, 4 ang laman, 50 pesos ang isang piraso, and suggested maximum usage of 3 months. Okay po? So, if you're going to have that computed in your mind, that would be like 16 pesos only ang isang buwan po na consumption na pag ginamit po natin to. Parang gumagastos lang po tayo ng 16 pesos. Compared to the leading brand in the supermarkets na 58 pesos, alin ang pipiliin nyo? Yung scrubber natin or scrubber nila doon? Syempre, yung atin, may points value pa po yan. Okay, last but not the least is our Atomy Stainless Steel Scrubber. Alam nyo po ba na ito pong ating stainless steel scrubber ay talaga pong tunay na made of stainless steel. Yung ginagamit naman po sa kanya is the STS 304. Yan po, Itong klase po ng mga stainless material na to, or steel na po to, sila naman po yung malambot. So mapapansin nyo po na when we use our stainless steel scrubber, malambot po siya. Tama po? At kahit iwan po natin yan na nakababad sa tubig, hindi po yan nagkakaroon ng kalawang. So, sobrang tagal po natin siyang magagamit. Sabi po dito, we can use our stainless scrubber for maximum of 6 months. In a family like mine, we use it like mga 3 months lang kasi sobrang dami na. Huwag naman daw pong 1 taon. Buhaghag ng gusto, parang yung buhok na buhaghag na, ginagamit pa rin. Pero talagang napaka-effective pa rin po niya, Pero syempre, we need to buy regularly para naman po maging hygienic po yung ating kitchen. So we are all created by God in His image, po. Pero binigyan po tayo ng Panginoon ng tinatawag na free will. So, kaya po ginawa niya po tayong matatalino We have to make good choices in life. So we have to be thankful kasi dinala po tayo ng Lord dito sa Atomy so that we can have good and wonderful options. So, practice that will, yung ating pong free will, para magkaroon po tayo ng mas magandang buhay dito sa Atomy. I pray that everybody or all of us can be sustained by the loving mercy and grace of our Lord. Thank you for listening. That would be all for this afternoon. Ako po si Joanne Balaoro, Diamond Master and Center Head of Antipolo Masangkay Center.